So what we're going to start with this year for our speed dating is our products that can help you contain your dust on your job site. Our first thing is our dustless pan mixer that we just came out with last year at the World of Concrete, and Thad's going to go over this one a little bit.
I'm sure many of you have heard the nasty word silica, so that's probably the last time we're going to say that in this meeting today. We're going to refer it to dust. So what we have here is our dustless pan mixer, and the big difference between this pan mixer and what our current mixers offers is the pan mixer mixes in this action compared to a paddle mixer. Some of the features that we have here are that allows us to put a solid top on top of the pan mixer to have the dustless system. Also, what we have here is we have a water hopper on top, so it allows you to measure the amount of water that you're putting into the mix. So the way the water that goes into the material is you open the valve here and the water comes out on top of this cone and dispenses the water out evenly throughout the mix. So you have a consistent mix, and it takes about 2 minutes or less to mix a batch with a pan style mixer. Now with this pan style mixer, we do keep the same features that we have with our mud hog mixers. We have hydraulic drive, hydraulic dump. We have a GX390 Honda with electric start. The capacity of this mixer is 18 cubic foot mixing capacity. And like I said, the mix time, you're roughly under about 2 minutes. Now here's going to be a few videos that just actually show you the mixing action. And the nice thing about the mixing action with a pan mixer is it takes less force to actually turn the material. So you are able, we've done some testing to put material in here dry, and you can actually blend the material and engage the paddles without any water. So it blends the material before you're adding your water to the mix. We also do have some other options that Steve can go over here on our existing mixers.
So our existing mud hog mixers, you can put a solid grate for a silo tower. So your sock will come down, we've got a hole cut out, so your material will flow into there. You've got a door here that you lift up, add your water in. So basically you've contained about 85% of your dust, which the learning curve is you're going to listen to it mix instead of watch it mix. The other options we can do, if you're still doing a lot of field mix, we've got a bag ripper that once it starts mixing, you can close your door, and that's going to contain some of your dust in there as well. And those are available on all our older model mud hogs and newer models and our EZG mixers as well.
So the last item that we have here that we're going to talk about that deals with dust is an option with our masonry wall scrubber or our booger hog. So this is an optional guard that you replace, and what this does is it has a hookup for a shop vac. So when you're rubbing down the masonry walls, instead of having the dust come out and expose to the employee, the actual material or the dust is coming into a shop vac. So you're drastically reducing the amount of dust exposure to the employee.